Hi, my name's Lee, and I wanted to talk to you for a moment about an experience I recently had with Dr. Jeff. And it's going to sound a little strange, I know, because there's some things I can't explain, but I'll do my best. I went to bed one night with this wrist perfectly fine, my hand perfectly fine, my arm perfectly fine. In fact, I've been using it, throughout the day, no problem, just like any other day. But I woke up that next morning barely able to use my hand, really sore wrist, like any movement of my wrist at all, just like wanted to send me through the roof. And a lot of my arm was actually very sore. And I thought it would go away. That doesn't always happen, as we know. So I didn't do anything about it except take some pain pills and things like that. And that went on for a couple days. And that wasn't working because I have to use my computer all day long, and I couldn't use my computer at all. I ended up having a session with Dr. Jeff. I think it was about the third or fourth day that this had been going on. And when he first started working with me, it this wrist was really sore. I mean, and he knew that too. He was being very gentle and very helpful and very calming, which was great. But what I want to say is, I had never worked with Jeff before. His demeanor just made me feel like he knows what he's doing. I'm going to just trust him. He's going to get this somehow worked out. When he started working on the wrist, and just the therapeutic touch alone was just fantastic because he knows exactly what to do. And it was sore, but we kept working, and he was, checking in with me, making sure it was all going okay. Now, the interesting thing is, by the time that he was finished working on it, it was pretty much back to normal. And lots of the pain was just gone. And within an hour, I was back to work on the computer and doing my writing and the things that I'm supposed to do every day. And I actually got caught up with all my work that day. So I just wanted to leave this little message that if you have the opportunity to work with Dr. Jeff, yeah, do that, because he does have such a healing therapeutic touch, and he really does know what he's doing. He's really good at what he does, and you'll feel totally comfortable with him, at ease. He just has a great demeanor when he's working with someone. So I really appreciate that. And Dr. Jeff, thank you so much for getting me back on track. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.